Cisco SD routing solution streamlines traditional routing management for IT professionals as well as teams supporting OT environments. Let's walk through its simplified management experience for Greenfield routing deployments. We'll start with a Cisco Catalyst 8300 series router. First, add the device to the plug-and-play, or PNP, portal. Bring the device into SD-WAN Manager, clicking on WAN Edges. Then, click on Upload WAN Edge List and sync the Smart account. In our Quick Connect workflow in SD-WAN Manager, we can log into the Smart account where the device information is stored. Now, under Select the devices to bring up, we choose the Cisco Catalyst 8300 series router. We can see the host name, system IP, site ID, and other parameters. These are all set to auto because we have done the prerequisite work needed to automate configuration. We'll click Next twice to get to the summary, and click Onboard to start the onboarding process. A few minutes later, we can see that the Cisco Catalyst 8300 series router is fully connected in SD-WAN Manager. On our device's dashboard, we can see the site ID, system IP, health, and reachability, as well as CPU load and memory utilization. From this point, we can start adding configurations to it in SD-WAN Manager. Now let's walk through a Brownfield deployment of a Cisco Catalyst 8300 series Edge platform. For this process, we'll be using the Cisco Secure Router SWIM, an onboarding tool. Launch the SWIM tool and click on Add Device. Input the router IP address, username, and password, and click Save. This creates the Device Add task. Check to make sure the current version of your software will support SD routing on your device. If not, upgrade your software before proceeding, choosing the latest software from the software repository. When the file upload is complete, click Device Operations and select the router to upgrade. You can track the progress of the upgrade under View Details in the Task Manager. When the upgrade is complete, click Device Operations and Configure SD-WAN Manager Details. Complete the SD-WAN Manager IP, username, and password, and click Configure. On the Devices menu, click Action, input the WAN interface for your router, and click Save. Then, select your router and click Onboard. Track the onboarding process in the Task Manager. After a few minutes, the onboarding process is complete. The entire process happens without disrupting other network operations. You get simple, secure, and scalable device onboarding.